Provocation te escalation ni bagwi Pakistani Tongmung no responsible Operation Sindu te Pakistani conspiracy no te cha shal charigo kaisa kok thum panda khlaye kokshil samungti shaka Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri Colonel Supriya Kurasi te Wing Commander Biomika Singh
Kokthum Pandawa Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri Kokshil Samungti Shaka Jobani Provocation Day Escalations ni bagai Pakistani Tongmung no responsible Pakistani Tongmung no tino Shakhar no Harnani Naka India Abo Haikino Colonel Sofia Qureshi Shaka Pakistani Army Choyaway India ni Western Borders Fighting Day attack Tongo drones long range weapons loitering munitions day fighter jets by India's military sites fighting attack Tongo Pakistan Army Hinay.
The destruction of airfields at Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Bhuj, Nalia, etc. was also a false claim. The forward ammunition dump at Chandigarh and Beas are also fit and fine, and we showed you these in the photographs in the morning briefing today. Also, there was a certain different way of miscampaign that Pakistan conducted by its press conferences, which was conducted in a manner which was completely misleading and devoid of facts. Pakistan has been spreading fabricated allegations that the Indian armed forces have targeted mosques. Let us make this very clear here that India is a secular nation and the Indian armed forces are a reflection of our constitutional values. We hold every place of worship of all faiths in the highest regard. Our operations have been aimed exclusively at terrorist camps and facilities being used for anti-India activities. No religious sites, I repeat, no religious sites have been targeted by the Indian armed forces. Over the past few days, as we have seen, Pakistan all has suffered very heavy and unsustainable losses after it has given us an unprovoked attack on our installations. It has suffered losses in both land and air. There has been an extensive damage to the crucial Pakistani air bases like Skardu, Sargodha, Jacobabad and Bholari. In addition, a loss of AD weapon system and radars made the defense of Pakistani airspace untenable. Across the line of control, extensive and precise damage to military infrastructure and command control centers and logistics installations. In addition to that, 2 military personnel had led to complete breakdown of its defensive and offensive capability and also Pakistani morale.
In conclusion, let me reiterate that whilst we will be adhering to the understanding that has been reached today, that is the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force, we remain fully prepared and ever vigilant and committed to defending the sovereignty and integrity of the motherland. Every misadventure by Pakistan has been met with strength, and every future escalation will invite a decisive response. We remain fully operationally ready to launch whatever operations may be required in defense of the nation. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Colonel Sofia Qureshi Ebu Shaka Pakistani Bakakti Klaizak Soto Teknono Firok Munduka India 26 Nich like Kabang Amseti ke India ni airspace Bishingo Habe Edek Klainani Jaidoka Pakistan Aboshimia Hospital de School Shaka Abu Edek Klaika Pakistan Hanei Bureau Report Chini Khorang